I'll be spending a few weeks as the only African in one of the countries with the highest level of racism in the world. I'm the only black person here.
Yeah, you are the only black.
So just imagine only me walking down like this. Is this safe for me? Racism against black people and immigrants in Europe has been making headlines a lot lately.
Be ashamed of yourself. This is racist, what you're doing.
According to the media, Italy often gets labeled as one of the most racist countries in the world.
Traveling to Italy and dealing with some racism.
With the killing of a Nigerian street vendor.
But that got me thinking, what does that really mean for someone like me traveling to Italy as a black person for the first time?
The racism here in Italy is really mixed with classism and ignorance. There's a lot more tension right now because the economy is worse, the social situation has not gotten better, politicians are stoking the anxiety to create a lot more ethnic tension.
The street is so silent, I don't know. And I don't know how it's going to be at night. I'm scared.
Why?
Yeah. This is a gunshot, honestly. I was recently invited by the Cinema Abruzzo, the first film residence in the world dedicated to gun production in a collaboration with European Union. Not only did this opportunity resonate deeply with me as an impact filmmaker, but also a chance to connect with other passionate filmmakers from around the world. So here's the thing, I was the only African, the only Nigerian, invited to be part of the documentary team. So I took a flight from Lagos to Ethiopia. After a 3-hour layover, we boarded another plane to Rome, which is the Italy capital. Arriving at the airport, unlike most people who head straight to the big cities and stick to the usual tourist spots, I did something different.
Nigeria?
Yeah!
Probably here in Abruzzo.
Yes!
Forme.
Yeah, exactly. As someone who loves diving into the real essence of a place, its culture and its people, I decided to explore life outside the hustle and bustle of Caput Mundi, known as the first capital of the world. My journey took me to Forme, a small village in the Marshal de Arab region in Abruzzo.
When you go out from a city and you come in a place like this, you touch with your hands that life, it's still something else.
This area is known for its breathtaking landscape and historic sites, and a deep connection to local and traditional dated back to the 80s.
An amazing town with amazing mountains. Like, it's wonderful to wake up surrounded by its landscape.
It's a quiet place when you can discover the beautiful of nature.
It is the kind of place where the life moves out at a slower pace, allowing you to truly connect with the nature, the original culture, and the people.
It's a place where you can express your creativity because it's quiet.
That's the unique thing about this place. The water comes from the mountain, and that's what the whole town is drinking.
Very, very cold.
Very good water.
But it's
I want to touch it.
You want to touch it?
Yeah. So I want to touch the water. It's very cold. I love it. Fast food.
I spent a couple of weeks in this small village, and to be honest, I didn't know what to expect. This is the two in Forme, Italy. Let's see what can happen. It's gonna be very cold today. I can feel it already. But peace out.
Yeah.
Like, how safe is this place?
It's safe.
It's safe.
What? It's safe. No one's here.
Okay.
The desert is isolated.
Okay.
It's okay.
Sì, dai, andiamo. I have no idea.
Oh yeah, gunshots.
Yeah, you see the gunshots. I have no idea why. Isa.
This is a gunshot, honestly.
No, allora ragazzi.
At first, it was hard for me to cope with the weather, the language, and the food. But then, everything changes.
Palo sa Maria, no? traveling so far.
But then I met some amazing people who treated me like family.
I think I don't know many things about Africa. I want to know many things. One thing that I didn't know, that you told me that in Nigeria, where you come from, there are a lot of water. So what I have learned all these years, that Africa is poor with water. This is, you know, this is the image that this is some kind of the cliche that I didn't study enough. But you're telling me in Nigeria there are a lot of water, so it's beautiful, and I'm so happy about that. To go in a lot of countries, but Africa is huge and big. I think you need like 5 lives to visit all African countries.
Nigerian.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. Should you cook our pasta or not?
For Italian, it's not right the way you cook pasta.
I began to feel at home because we share some similarities and differences. And as we got to know each other better, those initial barriers started to fade away.
Try espresso. It's good for the body.
Cheers.
Thank you. Sugar mama. I want to experience it. What time? In the evening? Or what time?
For breakfast.
For breakfast.
No.
With milk.
What time?
What you want?
Okay. Thank God we are almost the same place, all of us.
No, que todos. Todos no, Pharouk.
We must dance.
Coffee is not the same every region.
Like you will take it like this, then inside stew. Guys, everybody cheers. One more. Thank you. You kill all the girls.
Sono quelli di Vale.
And the food, absolutely mind-blowing. The pizza, hands down, the best I've ever had. The local dishes were just as amazing. I even introduced them to jollof rice, a Nigerian classic food.
I heard that Domino Pizza is shitty. No Domino Pizza in Italy because they are very sensitive and passionate about their food. So I want to check this pizza out. This is a real pizza, like real pizza. This is the best pizza I've ever eaten. Jollof is like the bread, you know, the jollof rice. Is it? Oh. Is it nice? So we're representing Nigeria, you see?
Yeah. Sure, there were language barriers, but honestly, they just added to the experience. Trying to communicate and connect despite the differences made everything more meaningful.
How do you say in Italian now?
Grazie.
All this is Spanish. Say in Italian.
No, grazie.
Grazie.
Grazie. Grazie.
What's welcome?
Prego.
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 Prego, she said.
Okay, she's the one to say prego. Okay. Grazie. Okay. Fashion and video, Abruzzo. Fashion video, Abruzzo. This is my Italian teacher.
Cerchio is the language of cerchio. Babone in cerchiese, in abruzzese, means it's okay. It's okay.
Ok, in Italian fa bene.
Va bene.
Va buono.
Va buono in abruzzese.
Abruzzese.
Abruzzese, va buono. A dopo.
Ciao. Why?
Promise you we will be alright if it's you and I, you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge.
Nigeria o Côte d'Ivoire?
Only
Girls.
good times ahead.
Nigeria.
Nigeria? The best in the West.
Best in the West. Get a lot of things. They're wild, they're nice, they're romantic.
They're wild.
They're...
So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, we'll see. Drive someplace far.
It was really nice. It was really nice, and you can tell that you love your culture when you talk about it, which is really, really, really nice.
We speak one spaghetti, an Italian man dies.
If you cut the spaghetti in half, you are in serious trouble, my friend. I'm telling you. Yes, big time. Yes, don't do the missionary for more than 10 minutes. Very important. Mama and Papa style. It's too much. Better to... yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
Pharouk, ti voglio bene. I love you.
Me too.
Yes, we love you. Reaction.
How do we do this?
Okay, set. Okay, camera, set.
Living in Forme has been nothing short of eye-opening. Despite everything I heard about Italy's reputation, what I found in this small town was kindness and acceptance. I was not defined by my skin color, instead I was embraced as a part of the community. This experience has changed the way I see Italy. These are things that will bring me back to Forme. It is a place that has left a lasting impression and is somewhere I definitely want to visit again. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.